Connecting your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shops enables seamless product catalog syncing and in-app checkouts, transforming social media into a direct sales channel. Start by installing Shopify's Meta Sales Channel app and linking it to your Meta Business Manager account. Once connected, your entire Shopify product catalog syncs automatically, including inventory levels, pricing, product images, and detailed descriptions. Enable the Shop tab on your Facebook page or Instagram profile to display your synced products directly within the social apps. Customers can now browse your products and complete purchases directly within Facebook or Instagram using Meta's secure payment system, which supports credit cards, PayPal, and MetaPay. To avoid sync errors, ensure all product images meet Meta's quality standards with a minimum resolution of 1024 by 1024 pixels. This integration is widely adopted, with over 1.5 million Shopify stores connected to Meta channels as of 2025, making it essential for expanding your online reach and driving additional sales. Enhance your Shopify integrated Facebook and Instagram shops with AI-powered features such as personalized product recommendations, potentially boosting conversion rates by up to 20%. Consider implementing augmented reality AR features for virtual try-ons, especially for apparel, using Meta's Spark AR. Integrate MetaPixel for detailed analytics to track ad performance and sales attribution. Prioritize compliance with Meta's commerce policies, including business account verification, to prevent suspensions. Address sustainability by adding carbon footprint labels to your product listings. Stay informed on trends like mobile-first shopping and the growing preference for ethical brands. Remember to test thoroughly in a staging environment before launching live to avoid pricing discrepancies and sync errors. As social commerce evolves, unified checkout experiences across Meta platforms and secure transactions via blockchain are emerging.